Hello friends and welcome back. So we have taken this week and we have practiced how to identify tens and ones using our cubes by groups of tens with leftovers. Then yesterday you took the time and you found your number that had a tens place value and a ones place value, and you've split them apart and you've modeled them to identify the groups of 10 and the groups of 1. Today is going to be a little bit more of a challenge. Here we're moving with a little bit of a larger number set. So what you're going to see is that there's going to be multiple cubes. And our job is to identify them by groups of 10 to identify what it really means. So here's what they're giving us to start with. They have 30 ones. So they're telling me this is 30. And I need to figure out how many tens it has and how many ones it has. So using my model, I'm going to count. And I see that there's 5 down here. So I'm going to make groups of 10. So 2 groups of 5 makes a 10. So I have 1, 2, and 3. So when I circle these together, I've now made 3 circles, which means I have 3 groups of 10. And you can see that there's nothing left over. So I have nothing left over. So 3 tens is the same as the number 30. All right, friends? Let's try one more. Again, we're now grouping them and we're creating the group of 10. And we're determining what that 10 really stands for and how we can identify that. So here they gave us our number again. They gave us 40 ones. So in my boxes, I have 40 ones. And I see again, they're set up in groups of 5. So like a 10 frame, every 2 of those would make my group of 10. So I'm going to circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once I've circled them, in 40 ones, I made 4 groups of 10. So that would be 4 tens with 0 ones left over because there's nothing left over on the side. So that translates into 4 tens being the same as the number 40. Okay? So when we're going to continue working, you're going to see that these 10 rods, 4 10 rods equals 40. So as you can tell, this was a lot faster to draw than to draw all these dots. And so you're able to consolidate and work more efficiently. Okay, so again, as you can see, they gave us 40 ones. We were able to group that into 4 groups of 10. There was 0 ones left over. So we're able to tell you that 4 tens is the same as 40. Okay, friends. So here's your shot. Page 259, you have questions 3 through 8. 8 is a tricky one. Be careful. I wanted to identify that if you look, they've put the numbers up here at the top. So you have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and over here they put 100. But they did not give you the boxes here. So you either have to split your house, or you can use it to identify what's going on with the splitting of your house and your models. So you could do tens and ones. So you would know that you had 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Because I have a 5 in the tens place. And I have 0 ones left over. So 50 is 5 groups of 10. So 5 groups of 10 is the same as 50. Okay? So you have to use all your skills here. You have to split it, divide it, draw it, and identify it broken down by the groups of 10 and the ones. So this is the same as 50 ones, 5 groups of 10. Again, number 8 is a little tricky. And you're going to go ahead and go to the back. Page 260, and this is a little checkpoint for you. So this is a review of all the things that we've done. This is the page I want you to make sure that you give your teacher a very clear view of so they can see how you're doing with your counting on. They can see how you're breaking apart your numbers. They can see your tens and ones, and they can see that you're able to identify groups of tens. All right, friends, so page 260, this is the one that really clearly needs to be turned into your teacher so they can see all the questions. Good luck.